Okay, it started off like that. So that's my car, and then I use a Note 9, right? So I draw a picture, and Vishan was like, what? And then he sent me this. Yup. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Yup. So I'm gonna bring the car to some really, really dark roads.
Yeah.
And then I'll turn on the lights to let you see the difference it makes, proper lighting. And it's very crucial for 4x4s to have proper lighting, because the places that you all go to...
Correct. Almost all vehicles you see here have some sort of auxiliary light mounted to it, like even from that car to this to all
lighting
of it.
Is very important.
And even like these guys, they're actually going off to do some charity work.
Yep.
So he came in with us, and he needed lights mounted on the vehicle because they convoy at night.
Oh.
So they definitely need vehicle, and I mean people tend to forget, but in the jungle it's really, really dark. Like there's nothing to reflect off, so it's really dark.
Yes.
It's not like you say, oh, you don't need that brush. No, you actually do. You really do.
And lighting is important as well.
Yes,
for rallies.
Okay. We say. I mean, like the reason I rolled my car last time was I had no lights. I just built the car. I didn't mount any auxiliary lights. The main lights went off.
Yep.
So I couldn't turn on lights. So my boy was literally holding a torchlight, and that's how we were driving. So I mean, misstep and went rolled off the.
Wow.
So lights are. Trust me, lights are important.
Yes, guys. So, if you're an off-road guy, check out. These lights are really good. I'm so satisfied with the outcome, man. This looks absolutely epic. All right. So yeah, thanks, bro. Thank you. Okay, guys. This is my parking lot. This is my headlamp. That's my headlamp. I don't think you can see anything. This is oh lovely. Yep, clears the RAM, no issue. Yep. Okay. So I angle it slightly downwards so that it doesn't glare at the drivers. So very nice. Oh. Okay, guys, let's give you all a good look on these Hella spot lamps. See that little sticker there? That's really nice. So thank you so much to Hella for the support of this project. And let me run through a little bit on these boys here. These housings are aluminium, very, very high grade aluminium, and they are very sturdy and basically just really tahan lasak lah, huh? Okay, and these are the Kelvin temperature of these lights are 6,000. All right, and these are really, really bright, long range spot lamps. Okay, and it comes with this really nice bracket here. So you see the way I mount it, right? We mount it with some rubber washers. So these rubber washers would actually protect it against vibrations and all that. Okay, so because you don't want, I mean, even though this is really, really tahan lasak, I may say, but then I want those washers to absorb the road vibrations and all that. Alright, so you can see one single LED chip in there, but it's really bright. It's extremely bright. Okay, and I love them. It looks great. So look at the car. It looks great. Right, a bit crazy. Never been done before. I've never seen something like that. And the other thing would be see this water bottle? Yeah. Alright. So if you guys need more information, just head on to I'll put on Hella's website, Hella Singapore, and thanks for supporting this project. It's epic. Okay, let's turn them on. Boom! Look at that. Oh, sorry for the bottle. Let's have a good finale shot. Alright, so every time I come home, when I lock my cars, it will look like that. So this is epic coming home light, follow me home light. Alright? Yeah, it's nice. Alright, thank you. Okay, I'll just stand further apart. Okay, now this place is relatively dark. Let's try them. Boom. Look at that. It is very, very bright. And then I aim them downwards a bit. So even if at this height, we are not in the direct glare of it. Right? And as you can see, yup, it's epic. I love it, man. I just love it. Absolutely love it. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna buy covers. The next thing I'm gonna buy is some covers and put them on with the beautiful, lovely Hella branding. Yeah, makes me love this car even more now. Alright, I've never seen a sedan or wagon in Malaysia does this, and I don't know why, man. It's just cool, and I like it. And there's a practical usage as well. And I don't link it to my headlamp, so it's not that I on my headlamp and I'll glare at everybody else. No. So I link it to my fog lamp as and when is needed. Alright, so this is how the car looks, and let's do that again. I love turning it on. Boom. Check that out. Okay. Yeah, lovely. This is how my light looks like normally for my car, and this is after what I installed the Hellas. Boom. Oh, I didn't notice this guy was there. I didn't notice there's someone sitting by the side of the road. So yeah, I try to point them down so that it doesn't glare. As you can see, the cars that I'm passing by, I don't glare into their cabin. I'm just brightening up the roads, so it's pointed downwards, so that it really helps at night, especially when it's dark. Fantastic. It's bright and it's very even, and I like the hue of the color of the lights.